Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry that I haven't been posting. A family member has died. But yeah, besides me talking about that, I'm now going to be posting a lot more. And what did I do? What did I do? Okay. But anyways, let's get right into this video. Okay. Before I start this video, just let me fix that. Great, you're perfect now. As you can see, all these, you're like, I don't need to know about this stuff. Well, this map has the animals are just informing us. Look, what should we name him, guys? I think Jerry's a great name to name this person. Okay, so we got some arrows in this chest, and we got some bread, and there's a chest down there. Let's see what our starter pack is. Okay, that is actually very good. Let's get the credits, and I'm not gonna read it. I'm just gonna skip over it, but if you want to pause the video, you can. Great. Okay, so as you can see, there are animals. Before I start this, a name tag. Should we? Let me go kill some animals, because they do drop experience. Like this owl. No, you get back here. Okay, no, get back here. Let's see. Okay, it cost 1. Great, so let's just get 1 level. I'm sorry. You didn't drop anything? No, there is a chance for it not to drop anything. Okay. I think killing one more thing will do. There we go. Should I name him Jerry or Jimmy? I think Jimmy will do. Yeah, I think Jimmy will do. Jimmy, yeah. He's now my pet, Jimmy. Oh, we can name them. You're now Jimmy. Be a good boy. Okay, but I don't know where I left off, because this man just decided to join in. He won't leave me alone. So I told him to leave. No. Okay, since we named Jimmy, I think he's on Xbox. I have no idea. Do you? Yeah, that's not good. I thought I could fit. You just disappointed me. Leave me alone, please. Look, maybe I can have you get in a bed. Okay, it's just a bit laggy because there's a lot of things in here. Okay. I want to get some food. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 more of these. So right now I'm just want to make a potato farm, because in my opinion, potatoes are the best plant source. And yeah, so I'm gonna give him a weapon. Start giving him weapons. I can find a weapon. Oh, here's a weapon. Here we go. But I didn't Don't kill Jimmy. If you kill Jimmy, I'll kill you. Never kill Jimmy. Yeah, don't kill Jimmy. Let's go back down here. Let's put all of my food in the chest. Okay. Come on out. So where should we go? Which way? Which way do you want to go? He doesn't even know because I'm not talking to him. Which way do you want to go? You press anything. Okay, he wants to go over there to that square. Now we shall go. How about this? In the next video, I will go exploring without him. I'm gonna try to bring another friend, but if I can't, then oh well. So sad. Yeah, so sad. Okay. As you can see, the flying animals are a little bit laggy. Yeah, we're not gonna hit you. Light gray wool. Well, there's a lot of animals. Okay, we can kill you because they're not as cute as the first one I found. One more hit and you're dead. Drop bamboo. We'll make a bamboo farm, like right here somewhere. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that part out. There, nail it. Okay. So now that we explored this whole entire place, it's not bad looking. But we are going to end the video soon. Let's see if we can try to at least like mine just a little bit and get some resources. So, because I did come with a stack of wood and I checked, there is no crafting table, and if there is, call me a bot. But I don't think so. So like, yeah. We're just trying to make like a little base down here. Let's see if we can find a village in our next video. 28, that should be good. I know there's furnaces, so I'm not gonna make all of that stuff. I'm gonna make the crafting table like right there. We can make some leather stuff. So what do I have? I have that, so I can make one of those and one of those. Best armor in the game, boys. So I'm gonna make some sticks. I'm gonna make a shovel. I'm gonna make a hoe just in case. And I'm gonna put this. Oh, we got some. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. We got some pumpkin seeds actually. So I'm gonna take these when I go exploring. Yeah, you made boots yourself. Just getting some leather so I can have the leather set up. I got some fish. Let's go mining. And then once we get a lot of stuff, we're gonna head back. And then I'm gonna end the video. Ooh, I got some iron. Not that much, just 3. Okay, did I just see some? Is that a ravine I see? Let's also get some. I'm not going to get all of it because it's just useless. God. So I'm getting. I'll come back later if I need some more, which I probably won't because I have 35 now. Oh, there's more iron. Oh, we should be able to make that jump, but we weren't going to make that jump. Okay. Oh, thank the gods there was this. I'm a noob. There is a creeper, and I didn't think about if there's any mobs in here, like any, like, those mole rats and stuff. They could spawn in here. But it looks like no animals are spawning in here. So I'll pass this creeper up. Thank you for that. I really appreciated it. Once I just finish this, I'm gonna end the video because it's getting too long. Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna go back and start ending the video because it's gonna get too long. But yeah. No. How did you just spawn? No, you're dead. I'll use your bones for bone meal. Oh, we can. Okay. If we can find diamonds right now, I'm just gonna be shocked. Ah! Oh no! Wait, what? Our stuff is respawned. Okay. That's me. I'm just gonna. Yeah, what did you do? I just realized. Okay. Well, once we wake up, don't want to end the video. So yeah. Okay. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Thank you for watching. I am going to be posting some more, so yeah. But guys, have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.